Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called the Winter Christmas Decorations 2021, and that's hosted by the Sophisticated Ladies Club. Now the members of the Sophisticated Ladies Club are as follows. The founder is Kel, and she's from If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Then you have Tammy Thompson. Then you have Table Talk with Robin. Then you have Tamara from Lovemybabiesforever, and Penny from At Penny's Place. So what I'm going to be doing is listing the members of the Sophisticated Ladies Club down below, along with their channel links and the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to the channels, and head on over to that playlist so that you can get some decorating ideas for the holiday season. So jumping into the project here, I'm going to be making a wreath, and it's going to be a candy cane wreath with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to start out wrapping the wreath with this ribbon, and I did purchase this at Dollar General, and it's a beautiful silver ribbon with Christmas trees. I think it's so beautiful. So we're going to wrap the wreath form all the way around, and that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so we're going to be folding over that last piece of that ribbon over onto the wreath form. And then what we're going to be doing, and this came out absolutely gorgeous, guys. Let me show you. Look at this. It is beautiful. Now we're going to move on to making a bow. So what I previously did is I have the snowflakes that you can get at the Dollar Tree, and I think it's a 12 pack. So this is the smallest snowflake in the 12 pack. I took 2 of them outside and I spray painted those ahead of time in the metallic silver. And then now, like I said, we're going to use the same ribbon that we wrapped that wreath form to make a bow. And I'm just doing a regular shoe bow, and we're going to be gluing that right onto that wreath I decided to place it right there. And then I found in my stash the red truck carrying the Christmas tree. So what perfect embellishment can we add to this? So that's what we're going to be doing there. So I found some extra of these silver beads that were like randomly in my stash also. I decided to go around that candy cane wreath with the silver beads before adding the snowflakes and before adding the truck. Since I had the jute twine in front of me, I decided to go ahead and make a jute twine bow and then just place it there in the middle of that wreath before continuing on with embellishing. So now I'm figuring out the placement of those snowflakes, one on one side, one on the other, and then we're ready to place the hanger on this. I think this came out absolutely gorgeous. I do want to take a moment and thank the Sophisticated Ladies Club for this collaboration. I had an awesome time. I hope you enjoyed the project as much as I enjoyed making it. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. And make sure and head on over to that playlist. You will not be disappointed. Have an amazing day.